Hi everyone, welcome back to Reading with Gigi. Today I'm excited to read another book that I found in the library. The pictures in it are so pretty. I just love, love, love. And the story is awesome too, so I hope you like it. It's called Off to See the Sea. Whoa! I can't wait to see everything that she discovers in the sea. So let's get started. Off to see the sea. Off to see the sea. Bath time, I whisper in your ear. You laugh and then disappear. A master of hide and seek. Come, I coo. Bath time is full of magic. I switch on the faucet and out flows a roaring waterfall. Up and up I lift you till your toes leave the tile. Then down, down you go, slipping, sliding into the soft, scented sea. Now, was that so bad, I ask? You play pretend and sniffle. Oh my, I say, monsters straight ahead. Watch out for the yellow rubber ducky. I warn and you squeal. Glistening so bubbles sail into the air, shiny as mirrors, carrying copies of your smile. Isn't that a beautiful smile? Can I see your smile? Great, you have a beautiful smile too. You catch my eye, then splash over and over, giggling as streams of water smack the distant shore of the bathroom floor. Before I can say, don't, you hold your nose and dive deep, searching for treasures. Where do you go? The twin tugboats that Daddy gave you crash against the waves. Your busy legs and feet keep making. I sneak shampoo until your silky wet curls, while you flip the pages of your floating bath time book. Faster than you can blink, I sink my arm into the cooling waters of the raging sea and pull the plug. Together, we watch the ocean swirl away. Towel time! And you wiggle, making extra sure you're more slippery than an eel. There now, I say, as your toes touch the tile once again. You rub your eyes and yawn, ready to leave the temporary sea behind. Until tomorrow. I love that book. That's one thing that I absolutely love about reading, is that you get to use your imagination. You can imagine anything in the sea that you want. You could see seahorses or maybe even a mermaid. But I love that book, and I'm so happy that you stayed with me and read the book with me. If you like it, please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button below. And if you have a favorite book that you'd like for me to read, please write your first name and your favorite book, and I'll get it on the list. Until next time, thanks for stopping by Reading with Gigi. Bye!